Never overstock or run out again. Easy Amazon inventory forecasting tips in this video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Now there are some tools like Jungle Scout that automates this for you, and Helium 10. So you can see I'm in Helium 10 right now. It's got your days of supply, velocity, reorder status, reorder date, reordered units, reorder cost, transfer status, all this fun stuff you can actually look into to see. So this can help automate it for you. But the thing about these types of tools is they do cost a significant amount of money. Let's go check how much it costs for the inventory. And right now, $39 a month for limited, which is pretty much not going to give you access to the entire tool. Platinum, $99 a month, up to 40 SKU. And then Diamond is going to be for everything. So it really depends. Do you want to pay for it? But in this video, I'm showing you some different free ways to do it. And we're going to show you a fast way and a slow way. So here's the fast way. I'm going to type in fast way right here. So all you're going to do is just how much inventory do you currently have in stock? And that we're just going to write this out for our little forecasting. Your team could do this as well. So get your ASIN. We're just going to do one ASIN for now. And you're going to go into inventory, manage all inventory. You're going to put this in and you're going to see how much do you have in stock at Amazon, right? So now we have 482 in stock and we actually have 1,225 about to be checked in. So we're going to actually add both of these up. So 482 plus 1,225. So we're going to do 482 plus 1,225 because that's how much we're going to have in stock within the next pretty much 5 days at Amazon, right? And then what's the lead time? So if we wanted to purchase more, how long is it going to take for us to purchase it and for it to actually arrive at Amazon? Usually it takes 30, 45 days. Right? But the lead time for this product is actually only going to be 30 days for it to actually purchased and arrive at Amazon. Some people don't factor in the arrive at Amazon part. Now we're going to look at our sales. Okay? What's our 3-day sales and what's our 30-day sales? So I like to look at 3 days just because I can kind of see if sales are spiking up or if they're slowing down. And the 30-day sales is just more so you can see how many sales over the last 30 days. So you're going to go to orders, manage orders. Then you're going to change the date range to the last 3 days and you're going to click ASIN and then you're going to type in your ASIN right here and you're going to click search. Now you can see we've got 87 orders in the last 3 days. So we're going to put 87. And now we're going to look at how many sales in the last 30 days. So now let's change it to 30. And we got 614. 614. Now I'm also going to multiply this by 10 just to see how much it would multiplied by 10. So it looks like in the last 3 days, our sales are at 87. And if it keeps going like this in the next 30 days, we're going to be at 870 in sales, 870 units, right? And what's 870 times 2? That's 1,700. So right now we've got around 60 days worth of inventory, right? If you saw that. You can also just multiply this by 2, your last 30 days times 2. That's around, so right now, that's a little bit less than 30 days. Let's multiply the 30 days times 3. So right now, we've got around 3 months of inventory. So 30, 60, 90. If sales keep increasing, we're only going to have 2 months. So right now, we've got 60 to 90 days worth of inventory. And it takes us around 30 days to order items and get them checked in, right? So that means if we can just say, okay, we've got 90 days worth of inventory, but it's going to take us 30 days for it to get checked in. So I'm going to subtract that by 30. So we only have 60 days worth of inventory. I think this is a good time to figure out, okay, how much inventory do we want at Amazon? What if sales increase, right? And just to order another 30 days worth. I like to have at least 90 days worth of inventory at Amazon, because what happens a lot of times is you're like, I want to have 90 days worth of inventory, and you ship it in, and then there's problems, and then all of a sudden, even though you're shooting for 90, you only have like 60 or 30 days worth of inventory. So I recommend to shoot for 90 days worth of inventory. So that means we're going to have to order another 614. That's pretty much it. This is the fast way, okay? And I hope that kind of made sense. But my recommendation is just to break this all down yourself and then finalize the estimated order. Once you have the lead time, then you can kind of finalize it. Now, if you want something that's more formal and that your employees could do, or you could hire somebody to do, or what our company does is we have some type of a formal way. So we're going to have the ASIN. We're going to put the ASIN in here. We're going to put the SKU in. We're going to put the lead time in. Let's just say it's 30 days again. How much inventory we should have. We ask the client, how much inventory do you want to have at Amazon, right? We always recommend around 90 days, sometimes even 120 days worth of inventory. Because, like I said, problems happen with inventory all the time. So the more you have, sometimes the better. Have we ordered more? We haven't ordered more, right? We need to keep that in stock. If you ordered more already, you don't want to accidentally place a second order. How many do you have available? We saw that we only had 1,707 in stock. How many did you sell in the last 3 days? We sold 87. In the last 30 days, we sold 614. How many days of inventory do we have left, right? So we can kind of look at how much inventory we have left. So if we sold this, let's just see. Is that the right way to do it? Yeah. So 87 divided by, okay. So it looks like if we keep going to sales, we kind of do this. Oops. Yeah. So all we do is to see how much we have left, how many days of inventory we have left, is we can multiply if we wanted, we need to find the actual, how many sold daily. So if we divide this by 3, how many units do we sell per day? We could divide this by 3, and we sell 29 units per day, okay? Then we can do the 1707 divided by 29, and we can see we have 59 days worth of inventory left. Now, if we want to pretty much double this to 120 days, we just double the available inventory. So we can see how much do we want to order. If we want to double it, we can double it because we also have a 30-day lead time. So I would recommend to double it and just order another 1,700 because it's going to take 30 days to get back in, and by that point we're going to only have like 28 days left of inventory, and that's when we start sweating because we don't want to run out, right? So this is going to be the longer way on how to do it, but it's more formal. So kind of take this and create one of these yourself, then you can have your employees do it every single week, and that way they can stay on top of inventory, right? And I like to look at the last 3 days and the last 30 days. That way you can kind of see and get some more data, right? We can also do, we only did the last 3 days in sales, but we can also do data from the last 30 and then make an educated decision in between that. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on an inventory forecast tool that you use for Amazon. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z account management service. This is where we're going to come in, manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. We'll send you weekly reports on your inventory's low, reports like this on how many more units you should be ordering, when you're going to be running out of stock, so you can stay on top of your business instead of working in your business every day like creating these reports. Let us do it for you so you can save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHB Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.